blowing mud off the tires again.
Yep. There's a little bit more pavement here.
Well, I'd say. Big time.
Oh, this cool air feels nice.
Yeah, the road's a lot better on this end.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like we're about to come out on the highway right here.
Yeah. Well, it actually shows that it curves and stays off the highway. You can stay left. That's what it shows. It shows we can stay left and keep going. I didn't realize that earlier. Right here.
Oh,
Yeah. Must be where you're going. But this is kind of rough for old Bisbee Highway.
Some kind of canisters up here for something.
Oh, yeah. I've seen some of those back there. Not sure what those are.
Oh yeah. I went into the gas station yesterday.
Shows we stay left again.
It was before my ride because I went to go get a water bottle because I didn't have my backpack on me. And and the cashier, she's like, "You look like some sort of a Star Wars character."
You look like...
It was this older Mexican lady. She's like, "I don't know much about Star Wars, but or like she's like, I don't know the names of like the characters, but I've seen some Star Wars, and you look like you'd be one of the characters with the helmet and the armor on and everything.
You look like Darth Vader without his cape.
Oh, roadblock.
We're back on the
Oh,
pavement.
goes off to the left.
Oh, it must be a ditch there.
Yeah, it is.
No flat tires. I don't see no flat tires.
Yep.
Praise the Lord. Probably was some kind of a culvert there thing and it washed out.
Probably. Yep, because now we're back on the good road.
On the good road.
Oh, I didn't expect to actually catch traction right there. I just realized this was pavement.
Save the clutch.
Yeah, that's true, because this one you definitely have to use the clutch more for the wheelies.
Yeah, that's why I don't do them no more. Very seldom.
That 230 was a lot more lightweight. You didn't have to use the clutch as much.
Well, usually I don't, if I do any now, I don't use the clutch much. I just kind of get it where I can hit a bump and I can just gas it and wheelie.
Yeah.
Save the clutch that way. Well, where's it go?
And back on the road. It just keeps cutting in and out.
Yeah, it's just wherever it gets to a wash, the wash has washed out the culvert.
Is this another one already?
Well, it shows up here on
Just
up.
a dead end. No.
There's different roads. There's different roads hooking into it on up. Not really trails necessarily, but it's little roads going to the highways, what it looks like. Gotta go on the left side. Hope it ain't a mud hole. A swamp.
It's dry.
Oh, good.
I was thinking the same thing.
Well, you see all that grass. There's a reason for that grass. Water. There's a little old road over there. Right, because you see they're cutting back to the highways, what they look like. We're still on Old Bisbee Highway.
God dang.
You pass them up every time.
Look at that hill climb up there.
Holy cow. That's where we're going. No, I doubt it. Don't know it, but I doubt it.
Looks like we're going that direction, unless that's a road to the house.
Probably coming out on that road right up there. We see that big gate or whatever. Probably get up there and it'll be locked. Have to go all the way back.
Oh, look at this. Paved road.
Holy cow.
That goes up to that house.
Right back here goes back to the highway. It shows it goes on. It shows it goes on.
I mean, we can look.
Go see.
Yeah,
Straight
this
ahead.
may be it.
Yeah, I turned right here.
You know what area I feel like we're in that we're close to hitting, but I don't know because of those houses up there.
Tombstone?
Oh,
because we are.
I mean, I guess that's what that is.
That's
but
Tombstone to the right.
I was almost thinking that this was that other area.
It shows Bisbee Road goes straight ahead here.
Do you want to go this one or this one?
It shows this way. Old Bisbee Road. We got to follow the old highway as far as we can.
Yeah, I kind of figured that's what we were trying to do. I just wasn't sure if we were splitting off to see what that was or not. Here.
But pretty much the end of it up here, I think it comes out on some just dirt roads or paved roads. I can't tell on the map, but one or the other.
Taking the passing lanes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's a house or something. Yeah.
Well, it still shows the old Bisbee Highway, but private property. Well, that's the end of Old Bisbee Highway for us. Thank you all for watching this video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Right on.